Hello guys, welcome to the maths class. We'll continue our topic solve graphically in chapter 3 linear pair of equations. Now the example is from the textbook. See it now. Half the perimeter of rectangular garden whose length is 4 meter more than its breadth is 36 meter. Find graphically the dimensions of the garden. So now length is 4 meter more. See here, length is 4 meter more than breadth and half the perimeter is 36. So these are the two conditions. So first we have to form the equations and we have to assume. So let us suppose that length and breadth of the rectangular garden be x meter and y meter respectively. So length is x meter and breadth is y meter. So by the first condition, half perimeter is equal to 36. This is the condition. Now what is the perimeter of rectangle formula? Twice of L plus twice of breadth. So twice of L means here x. So 2x plus 2y. X is the length. Twice of length plus twice of breadth. Now this dividing by 2 or multiplying by half. So this 2 get cancelled. So what we get, the first equation, x plus y is equal to 36. This is our first equation. And second equation is length is 4 meter more than its breadth. So x is the length, x is equal to y plus 4, that is 4 meter more. So this can be written as x minus y is equal to 4. This is the second equation. Now we have to find the solution, means we have to find the length and breadth of this rectangular garden through graph. We have to solve graphically. Let us see now. Now x plus y is equal to 36 and we have to make the table. In the table, so we have taken x here and y is equal to, obviously x will be taken to the right hand side, that will be 36 minus x. Now you take the any value of x in your mind and write here. So x is equal to 18 suppose. So we'll find the value of y. 36 minus 18 will be 18. If x is 20, y will be 16. If x is 16, y will be 20. Now at least two values should be taken. I have taken the third value for the safe side. You can take two values if you are sure. Now second equation, x minus y is equal to 4. We have to form the table now. X here and then y is equal to x minus 4. So if x is 20, y is 16. If x is 18, substitute 18 here, 18 minus 4, 14. If x is 14, the y value will be 14 minus 4, 10. Now you see that here 2016 is the common point. So this is the answer. Hence length will be 20 and breadth will be 16. This will be the answer. Let us solve it graphically. Now as the numbers are here bigger ones, so we have to take the scale on the graph paper accordingly. As minus value, negative values are not taken, so I can take y-axis to the left hand side, so we can get the large area for drawing the graph. So this is the x-axis and this one is y-axis. I have taken a scale 1 centimeter is equal to 2 meter. Generally we take 1 centimeter is equal to 1. Here 1 centimeter is equal to 2 meter on both the axes. So start with 0. Now here 1 centimeter means 2 meter, 4, 6, 8. So this is length. What is this? This is length in meter. And so x will be representing x values, that is the length value, and this will be breadth value. So again 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, and so we can write here breadth in meter. Now let us plot the points. I have already plotted the points. I will show you. First one is 18, 18. First equation, 18, 18 is this point. This is 18. We have to go up 18. So this is the point 18, 18. Second point is 20, 16. So this is 20. We have to go up to 16. So this is 16. And then 16, 20. So this is x value 16. And this is 20, 16, 20. Now draw the line. First take the point and complete the line. And write down the equation x plus y is equal to 36. Similarly, now second equation, x value is 20. Already that point is there, 20, 16. Common point, 18, 14. This is the 18 and y value is 14. So this is the point. And the next point is 14, 10. So this is the x is value 14 and this 10. And we'll draw the line through this. And this will be x minus y is equal to 4. Now where they are intersecting, you can draw the perpendicular by dotted lines to the x-axis and here perpendicular to the y-axis. So this is now x is equal to 20. So 20, 16 point is common. So this point is the solution, and as x value is 20, so x means length. We assumed x as length, so it will be 20 meter and 16 meter. Now the point of intersection is 20, 16, hence length of the garden is 20 meter, that is the x value, and breadth of the garden is 16 meter, that is the y coordinate. We can check. Now length is equal to what? 4 meter, breadth more than the breadth. This is the condition. So length is 20. Now breadth is 16 and 16. So 16 plus 4 is equal to 20. So your first one is verified. Then half the perimeter is 36. Now this is half. This is a perimeter. Now twice L. L means 20. 2 into 20, 40. Twice of breadth. 2 into 16, 32. 40 plus 32 is 72. 72 divided by 2, it is 36. So hence answer is verified. Okay, so this is the question from your textbook, and exercise 3.2, some questions are given solved graphically, so you please attempt that. I am going to give you the homework on your WhatsApp group. Okay, thank you very much.